Hi again. I think this is a great improvement because there is not any pixel shift in the image, and easily I was able to design this space with AI. And also, if I zoom into the details, you can see that the existing structure is exactly on the same position. So this is the workflow that we designed, and it's running on FlowGen. So you can go to the FlowGen and try to use this interior designer. I designed this workflow with ComfyUI. So this is the ComfyUI workflow. It's a bit big, but in the next days also it will be available on the Patreon. So let me know what's your idea and how you can use this level of consistency in your projects. Thank you.